say for example green land on the right hand side and the smoke is blowing across the bridge, no one can be in the top smoke up and meet everyone else.
Yeah.
If it literally drifts back, well, they can't you've literally got to stay out of that green, so you can wipe it all away. However, if you throw it wrong, when it comes back towards you, you've done the same for yourself because you can't then advance. You've got to come back out of it. Red, if it lands on the bridge of Sturma Barracks, for the time that that's burning and smoke's going on, that bridge is literally on fire, no one can go on it. Or if it lands in the hut, that's on fire, or tire, whatever. Wherever that lands is literally on fire, you can't get it. Okay. Right. Any other smoke is just covered. Yeah, what does yellow do?
He's standing out like a Felicia beacon, look.
Yeah, see, just put your stuff there, that's how I'm putting there.
Oh, that's small.
James! Felicia beacon!
Yeah, just go out without it. I don't need it. Yeah, you haven't got a knife, but you've got a fist, and there's a punch people in your head.
You could just walk out dead.
Dead.
You see how I'm playing in America? Give it a shake. You can't just go down to the gun, can
You could use these.
Look at that. He's got them, look. Yeah, he's a little ninja, isn't he?
Oh no.
You're a little ninja. He's got fucking knife as well, and forks.
And he's got my pistol.
There we go.
Every single dinner I have, I keep the knives.
Yeah.
Make sure that's down and put pressure on the back here. Otherwise it won't fire.
Oh, you wet. At least I've got that.
Oh.
Yeah. I know that I don't even know to actually make it. No. You do shoot in close range.
Should have bought jumpers. They should have bought jumpers. They should have bought jumpers. They don't know what it's like getting shot in the arm yet.
It's gonna hurt.
I suppose it's because Airsoft is relatively
But the
new.
thing is
Or even
definitely.
body armour like this.
Yeah.
Some of you guys are looking online. I think some of them are the same weight.
Copper army issue, body armour.
So I'm sure you wouldn't
British
want
Army issue Osprey.
the same weight, would you?
It's good.
Right, where are we going?
This way.
Let's just run straight at them.
Go straight. There's a bit under the bridge, isn't there? Is that,
Yeah, but they're going to be in there. They're going to be in there.
Wait, do we have two fields? Or like just...
Huh?
Do we have two fields or just this one?
I don't know.
Can we drop
Wait for James to come back, mate.
Don't mind keeping these.
All 3 of them. 8 weeks ago.
What do you mean?
Spuds. Lunch.
What do you mean?
Chili, beans, cheese, spud.
Just potato and cheese.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I like potato and cheese.
Add some salt on that and that'll be like my meal today.
I like a bit of chili in mine.
Oh yeah.
I actually make a really wicked chili, I do.
Oh yeah.
I actually made it so hot once that even I couldn't eat it. I put a few too many of those Thai finger chilies in, the little green ones.
Oh yeah.
Sainsbury's at the time they did a fist-sized bag, had about 30 chilies in.
Oh yeah.
I put them all in, I put 3 bags in. I paid for it later.
Oh my god.
It was like a nuclear explosion in my mouth.
Oh my god. You'll pay the debt. Jeez. Oh my god. Like my family can't take spicy food. Only my dad and my brother. My mum
Really?
can't stand
Are you
it.
not into spicy then? And can you do like a chicken korma or something like that?
Yeah, I can do stuff like that. My mum just like hates like spicy
Or
food.
like curries? Like,
Yeah.
like mild curries?
No, I eat all sorts of curries. Curries is like one of my favourite foods. But the thing is, my mum can't stand spicy food. It's like,
Really? That bad, huh?
yeah. My mum tried like some spicy things one time. What my dad had, like she had it. It's like, ooh, freaking out. She went straight for the milk and started chugging the milk down. She started freaking.
With my chili that I made that was too hot, I put 2 entire big 1 litre pots of Greek yogurt in.
Oh yeah.
Try and cool it off a little bit.
Right.
Even then it was still too hot. It was really bad. I put way too many chilies in it.
Oh my god. God, I want to start. I'm excited.
Are you?
Yeah.
Bit too excited maybe?
Yep. Definitely. Oh, here he comes.
Think about it this way. When after the day's over, I've got to take this and all that crap home.
No, I think they were both like on my head, I think.
I got hit once on the road and you didn't
I've got to travel 50 miles.
Jeez. How far's that? Like 30 minutes?
No, more like an hour and a half.
Oh, jeez.
It's all the way to Norwich.
Yeah, haven't you been banned from the other places?
Yeah,
How come?
because they don't like the fact that I've got a disability.
Oh, well, that's just. Like, that must be
Out of
against.
order?
Yeah. Is that not like against the law or something?
No, you can't. I had a little upset on the 19th of May at the side just north of the city.
Yeah.
I got really upset. And I lost it. Anyway, you go. I'm going to talk to James.
Okay.
James! You go. I'll do what you do.
Watch out, mate.
Got the power! Pin!
You can see him there.
Right. Underneath the tower. There was one on top of the tower as well. I got a pin. Go on, who's up? Who's up in? Go on.
Is he on the tower?
keep an eye at the top of the hut.
Is he on the tower?
Yeah, that's quite a distance. Oh, you could be here, but
Oh, he's ducking down at the moment.
in the middle of the bridge.
One left tower!
One lower left power.
I can't do nothing, eh? He did well. Might catch up with him. Woo! Boy, one left tower, one left tower.
I think this was not the decision, was it?
One left tower right there. If you watch that left tower, you should be good. If he watches tower,
You can't hit! Got me right on the edge.
you might want to watch it because you don't have a t-shirt. That wasn't the best decision, was it, having a t-shirt?
I'm used to that. I used to play paintball quite a lot. And it can't hurt more than that, can it?
Guess so.
I don't think this is the best place for me to go, though.
No, but it kind of was at the same time.
You're alright, because you're so small.
Yep, been doing this for ages now.
Yeah, mate.
Alright, you might want to watch out because if you stay here, give me some cover on the left side, I can run to that hill there.
Yeah?
Yeah,
You can't see that, yeah?
Yep. You cover that bit there.
Middle, yeah?
Could you cover my right? Cover that bit there. Oh, I don't know his name, but
Winston!
Winston. Ah,
Do it, he'll cover you.
right.
Right, tell me when you're ready.
Cover that tunnel.
Yeah?
Oh, Jesus
You just
Christ.
tell me when you're ready and I'll cover.
Alright, if you cover.
Yeah?
Oh, I can't go there.
No?
There's going to be someone in the middle.
Right, get in then.
Oh. Jesus Christ, you're hitting a lot, ain't you? I might need to sort you out.
Right here, mate, right next to us.
Wait, right next to us.
Yeah.
I told you. Oh, hit. Oh, Jesus Christ. That... Well, I get you as well. We just did a Wild West there. We just tied each other.
Hey, did I? Yeah, as well, lad.
There we go, down here.
Did I hit you?
Let's go back to where we started, dude.
Yep. You alright? You got shot in the head?
I don't know, yeah, I got cut with them pinned down on them bows.
Oh, I did like a counter bit there. We both stood up, bink bink. It was like we both got each other. You alright though?
Yeah.
Alright. Good game. I bet I got some good moves. Oh, come down here. Hello.
Welcome back.
I did like a draw basically, yeah? There was one opposite behind me. I was like that, we both stood up thinking we both got each other.
Nice. 50-50 then.
Alright, I'm gonna leg it.
Go, mate.
Hello.
Fucking hit back, lad. Right, there's one to the left on the bridge, one just in the middle on the bridge.
I think I see one right there.
Yeah?
Is that one? Or am I just hallucinating at this point?
Yeah. Yeah, one in the middle on the bridge.
Or they can't, don't bother watching thingy. They smoke themselves.
Yeah, he's just poked. He's in the cubby hole in the centre of the bridge, so he'd be a quack shot to get him, I reckon.
You missed the fun a second ago. You did.
Oh, he's gone. Hey!
Do you want to give me the grenade? You can get that grenade.
Yeah, one right in the middle.
Hello? Ow! Oh, Jesus Christ, that was a good shot. Oh!
Not get your head through it.
Oh, that was a good shot. Oh! Oh, that was a good shot. Oh. Ow! Got me right in the knee. That's a good shot right in the knee. Oh, got me through the barrier. Oh, right in the knee. Oh, hey, got me right in the knee. That did. Got me good, he did. Was that?
Yeah.
All right. Right. I'll tell you what's gonna happen here. Or just do that. Alright, good. Play there. Shall I leg it down to that tyre there?
Hey?
Shall I leg it down to that tyre there?
If you can get to it, but watch, there's a guy just over there, look. There's three of them on the far right, mate.
Oh, yeah.
That's the problem.
Hold on. First, through there. I am the back again.
I'm going to push left side now.
Fall over, man. What's wrong with you?
I know, I'm a little bit dizzy.
You gonna what?
I've got a little smoke on my face.
Have a look.
Oh.
Yeah, you got the steam.
Yeah, that's fine. I can still see.
I'm not going to lift it up because it'd be against the rules if I did.
Yeah, we can't lift up anyway. I didn't want to lift up.
Well,
Anyway.
if you want to see, James, you can.
No, it's fine.
Sure, it's pulled you out.
It's only a little smoke.
You mean mist?
Yeah, miss.
Fired it yet?
Yeah, I have. I got someone earlier.
Nice.
Right, I'm going to book it. Tony, right there.
Yeah, centre, you've got another one.
Have I? Let's see if I can get a little cheeky shot here. Oi, watch out, mate. One in the middle, one in the middle. I see him right in the middle.
Left side down, we should be down!
How are you not dead? Oi. One next to tyres. Oi, blue mask. Oh, I don't know his name. One second. That guy right there is a good teammate, he is.
That left side tower mark. Right side tower, sorry. Yeah.
I don't know what to do here. Let's sit here for a bit.